Hello and welcome to Little Blue Star. I'm Jane Allen and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. Thanks for joining me today. This card I've used the sentiment from Nature's Prints, so they've got some gorgeous little fonts there which I really like. I've done a heartfelt thank you, but I'm also going to do hello there with this card. So that's that, the sentiment, and then the stamp set is called Painted Poppies with matching dies, and this is one of the matching dies. So I just wanted to show you, you don't have to use poppies, you can use your dies for other things, obviously not just the poppies. So this is an alternative, even though it's in the Painted Poppies set. This is nothing to do with poppies, and it's just like a thank you card or a hello card or whatever sentiment you want, you can pop in the middle there. So this is a really quick card, and let's get started. So base card of white, let's just burnish that. So fold that and burnish, it gives you a nice crisp edge. Then I've got a layer of fresh freesia, which I always have trouble saying if you've seen my videos before, fresh freesia, and then a layer of white onto there. And the layer of white, we're actually going to pop our sentiment in the middle there, or wherever you want, so roughly where you want your circular piece to go. We're going to pop our sentiment in the middle. So you could cut this before or after, really, doesn't really matter. So you could go ahead and cut your piece and then stamp, or you can stamp and then cut, it really doesn't matter. So then I'm going to go and run it through my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. I will be back. Okay, so I've run it through my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine and it comes out like that. Obviously you get the little pieces that it also die cut out, so they've been removed, and then you are left with that. So let's move that out the way and let's layer this up. As I say, a very, very simple card, but a technique that you can use for all sorts there. So let me just layer this piece. Now it looks like a perfect circle when you look at it, but obviously when you cut it out you will realise it's not quite a perfect circular shape. As you can see, it's got like a little notches and things, so it's not quite circular, but obviously when it's all together it does look like a circle. And let's layer that up on our card. And then you have to just fit that into there. So I'm going to obviously pop some glue in the middle there, but when you've got the little tiny bits, as I've mentioned before, are just tiny little dots all the way round, and then you don't get much of a sort of a splurge of glue when you press it down. So hopefully that's enough on there, and then hopefully it will match up nicely where you cut it. There we go, just wiggle it a bit in position, and then we can press down on those glued places so it's nicely in place. Super easy. And then obviously, just to add a little bit of bling, you can go ahead and add some little rhinestones. Oops. Wherever you want, really, so, and however many you'd like. Let's put another one there, I think. There we go. Super easy, super simple. As I said, take that technique with you and use whatever sentiment you want, and obviously change up the colours, but that's a nice little die to use. Really easy, but obviously it looks really effective and easy to do and very quick. So I hope you like that little card that we did today. Thanks again for joining me as always. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe, and I bring you lots more of these little quick cards and little techniques and tricks and things. Comment if you want to, thumbs up, and I will see you again next time. Bye.